How to view Instagram feed in chronological order. In this short video, I'm going to show you how you can view Instagram feed in chronological order. But before I do, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, straight into it. So first, open up the Instagram app and then tap on the Instagram logo in the top left hand corner of the homepage. Now you want to choose following from the list. You will now see Instagram in chronological order. However, this will be just who you follow and you won't be able to see stories. To get back to your regular feed, tap on the back arrow in the top left hand corner. And that's all it takes to view Instagram feed in chronological order. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you liked the video, subscribe to my channel, and let me know in the comments if this worked for you. Thanks for watching.